Good morning class. Today we will do the doubts of exercise 5.2 which you have asked me yesterday. This is question 9 and fourth part of this you have asked me. So you have to do in this subtraction from 8 by 5 x square y from 16 upon 15 x square y. So in this you can see the terms are same in this, and this we have to minus from this. So we'll first keep this here, and we have written this part here, and then it will be subtract in the bracket because we have to put the sign of subtraction here, and it is already the negative, so we have to keep it in the bracket. When you will open this bracket, so you can see this terms we can take it out of the bracket, and because this is same, so we can write it once only, and this is 16 upon 15, and this sign has changed this sign, so this becomes positive here, and 8 upon 5. When you will find out the LCM of 15 and 5, so you'll get here 15, and according to the normal solution, 15 and 15 stable one time, 1 16 the 16, and here 5 comes in 5 stable, 15 comes 3 times, 3 8s are 24, and here 16 plus 24 is 40, and 40 upon 15 if you will divide with 5, so you'll get 8 upon 3. As we know that we have taken it out, this term we have to attach it with, and 8 upon 3 x square y will be the answer of this. Then the 10th question is asking us for the terms and the degrees of the terms of the polynomial, which is the given in the equation. So the first equation I am telling you here is having the 4 terms, so that will be a polynomial, and it is having the highest degree is 3, so that will be called as cubic polynomial. Then the fourth part of this having the 2 terms in that, so that is called as binomial, and it is having the highest degree, means power in that terms are 2, so that will be as quadric polynomial. Then it's 12th question here, and it is a sum of this, and you have asked me that why it is not having this part. If there are 3 equations, so we'll write it like in the descending order. First it will be square, then it will be 1, and then there is no variable having this digit is not having any variable. Then the second term, remember we have to put the sign as it is, which is given into the question, so we have to write here minus 8x square plus 5x, and there is no here number, so we will not write any number in this. Then it will be having the change in the equation, that 13x is written first and then it is written later, so will not make any problem. You just have to write the sign according to them. So this is minus 9x square plus 13x plus 6, and then you can see we have to do addition, so there will be no changes in the question. 7 plus 3 is 13, then it is here it is both the positive numbers, so if you will add it, so it will become 18 minus 3, because this is negative we have to minus it, so 18 minus 3 will give you 15x, and the number 18 is greater than the minus 3, so we'll put the sign of positive here. Here you can see the same sign is 8 and 9, so this will become 17 minus 5, so it will be 12x square, and you can see both the numbers, this plus 17 is in the negative form, so we'll write the negative sign in this. So like this you have to do the corrections of exercise 5.2 from page number 86 87 in copy. Thank you.